Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's the mailman, and the mailman's fixing something to eat, y'all. It's that time of morning. We're gonna just do some grits and eggs and a little bit of bacon. Call it a morning. Just some old grits there, y'all. Just something quick, fast, so I can get up out of here. We got ice storm coming in today. Ice storm coming in, and the rain. It's raining now, so it's gonna freeze up. It's gonna rain on us. That freezing rain going to hit us. It's gonna be a sloppy mess up here in Pittsburgh. So like I say, we're doing some grits and eggs today and some bacon. Put a little pepper and salt in the grits. So how y'all doing out there? Y'all subscribe to my YouTube page. Push that subscribe button and hit that like one time. I need about 500 of you all. I know I got all the people out there, and y'all y'all don't like it. That's why stuff don't go viral. Us people don't like to share nothing. They'll share everything they do, but they don't share things to get out there. Like I say, y'all watch me, you don't hit that share button, hit the share button, not that share button. Join my YouTube page. I'm ready for you to join my YouTube page because I share it myself. But I want you to join, I want you to hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button and like. That's what I want you to do. That's what I want you to do. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and like. I need just to touch a little bit more water. Oh yes, you're right now. Put a little bit of cheese in it. This is that Colby Jack and extra sharp. And extra sharp. I see the hospital, they calling me. That's the hospital calling me. I'm broke down. I had to get towed last night. I had to get towed and a tow ride home in the tow truck. Y'all don't know nothing about that now. Mix your whole egg in these grits. Cook them inside them hot grits. Y'all don't be trying to steal the secrets now. Now that's gonna be some kind of good, y'all. So like I say, it's y'all ain't doing nothing on May 7th. Blues on the Green in Nashville, Tennessee. Look on my page, everything is out there. Eventbrite has the tickets. Let's look up, go to Eventbrite. And I'll post it in the short. Get your tickets. Come on down to the Green. Come on down to the Green. We're gonna be throwing down Gerard Rayburn, Herschel Bailey, Marquis of Soul, and 2 other artists are gonna be on the show. Everything is on the flyer, but I'll post that and get it out there. I done got my salt and pepper in there already. Yeah, boy. Yes, I say I do. I got a lot of stuff going on. I got on the 13th Super Bowl day, I'll be cooking for some people, and they want me to bring some mixed greens and some smoked ham hocks. It's on like a pot of neck bones now, because I'm going to do that. Then the following Sunday, I got talked into doing a chili contest. It's a fundraiser for the league. It's a fundraiser. You get $50. It's $5. It's $5 for everybody to get in and eat all the chili you want. All the chili you want is $5 to get in, and all the money goes to the club. You know, and the winner gets $50. You know, so y'all ain't doing nothing. Y'all up in my hood up here. I'm gonna start preparing my chili and let my neighbors and everything, testing it out and everything, getting my chili started. And I'm gonna jump up in there. If I don't win, they're gonna buy my season. They're gonna buy my season no matter what. They're gonna get my season. Mailman Seasonings. Where my seasoning go? Houston, I've been robbed, Houston. There's that Mailman Seasoning right there. 15 different herbs and spices. There's no salt, low sodium. You look me up on my page, go to Mailman Seasoning page. All the information is right there. You can grab it and go. But I hope y'all enjoy hanging out with the mailman for these last 10 minutes, because like I said, we're doing about a 15-minute breakfast. We're gonna be eating in 15 minutes. We got some hog jaws slab. We got some of that strickling meat from the hog. We got that strickling. That strickling. Y'all know about that strickling? That strickling. We got that real strickling right there. We got 2 whole chickens in here and 2 half chickens. They say that the cholesterol is in the. They say it's in the yellow. They say it's in the yellow, so I don't know. Then they say it ain't the yellow. Now I don't know where the cholesterol come from. But I do 2 whole chickens and 2 half chickens. So that's why I got 2 whole chickens and 2 half chickens in my eggs. So that's what. No, I ain't gonna put no cheese on, because they got cheese in the grits. We'll sit there, because I may come back and get some more of that. So we're going to get down to the nitty gritty. That strickling, got a thin cut. I'll say that for later. I might put on some beans or something, because it's gonna be. They talk about that ice and snow coming in. "13 minutes from the start. 13 minutes. Grits and eggs, grits and cheese, grits and strickling. We call that strickling. That's the strickling. That's the strickling now. That's the strickling right there. So y'all please join my YouTube page and get my seasoning, because I'm gonna tell you that seasoning ain't no joke. It's an all-purpose seasoning for all you diabetics, all you vegans, all that can't have no salt. It's there for you. So you can order it. I can ship it right out to you. You get the order in. You get the order in by 3. I get it out that same day. But if it comes after 3 o'clock, it'll be shipped out the next day. Unless it's on a Saturday, it'll be shipped out Monday morning. So y'all check out my page, Mailman Season. Y'all take care. God bless. Keep on keeping on. Don't forget, May 7th. I'm be posting all that stuff out there. So go to my room, Mailman Season. Go to my page, and look at everything is there. It's posted. It's ready to go. So y'all get your tickets. Come on out and hang out with us in Nashville. We're gonna throw down like it's 1999. So y'all take care. God bless. Mailman Seasons, RJ's Tasters. Beep beep. We out of here.